I'm home finally. What a lovely day of dancing. Been, huh?
Why do I feel tired? Come on, I'm not tired just yet.
Not yet. I'm just gonna go and get my snacks and sit on the couch right now.
Okay, got the snacks. All needs the milk. And there we go. And now let's go and lay down on the couch.
There we go. Time to put a movie on. Time to just relax now. Let me explain. Tails was just relaxed. Tails got home and then he yawned for a couple of minutes. Then he went to get some snacks and went on the couch. What would you all do? Comment below.